After 50, many people think slowing down is just part of aging. That afternoon crash. That slump after lunch, that moment where your body feels like the energy switch has been turned off. But what if it wasn't aging at all? What if your energy is still there, just locked away, waiting to be reignited? Welcome to the Rebuild Blueprint series, the follow-up to our Risk to Resilience journey. If you haven't watched that series yet, be sure to check it out after this episode. It reveals how to protect your health from hidden risks before you begin to rebuild. Today, we're unlocking the first step, the energy reset, how to beat fatigue and reignite your body's natural power after 50. Why energy fades after 50? By your 50s, your body isn't producing less energy by accident. It's doing it on purpose. It's an ancient survival strategy. As we age, cells become more protective than productive. Your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside every cell, start to slow down to avoid damage. That's good in the short term, but devastating in the long term. The result? Less energy to move, to think, to repair. You feel sluggish, your metabolism drops, and fatigue becomes the new normal. But here's the truth, your mitochondria can be reactivated. They're not dead, they're asleep. Like and subscribe to the channel so we can benefit you by creating more great content with you in mind. And as a thank you, download this video's free guide from the link in the description below. The real cause of fatigue. Most people blame lack of sleep and coffee, but the real culprit is metabolic flexibility. When you were younger, your body could switch between burning sugar and fat like a hybrid engine. After 50, that switch gets stuck in sugar mode. You burn through fuel fast and crash hard. Modern eating patterns, constant snacking, late-night meals, and stress-driven cortisol spikes lock you in that loop. The more you chase energy, the faster it escapes. But you can teach your body to burn clean again. And that starts with a reset. The cellular reset plan. Step 1. Repair the engines. When you move first thing in the morning, you signal your cells to wake up. Exercise is not just for muscles, it's a cellular command. Next, intermittent renewal, time-restricted eating, or simply leaving 12 to 14 hours between dinner and breakfast. It gives mitochondria a chance to clear waste and rebuild. Then, feed the system right. Your body thrives on cofactors like CoQ10, B vitamins, magnesium, and protein. Without these, your mitochondria can't run the energy engine. The afternoon crash fix. The 2 p.m. crash isn't inevitable, it's predictable. Here's why. Blood sugar spikes, stress hormones, and a hydration dip collide like a perfect storm. The fix is simple, but not obvious. Eat real food, protein, plus fiber, plus healthy fat. Stand and move every hour. And hydrate before you think you need to. If you want to supercharge your afternoons, take a 10-minute walk after lunch. It cuts the glucose spike by half. Stress, sleep, and the repair switch. Your energy doesn't just drain through the day, it's leaking through your nervous system. Chronic stress keeps your body in alert mode, and that burns through energy even when you're still. The solution is the parasympathetic pivot. Slow breathing, gentle stretching, and consistent bedtime signals flip the switch from burn to build. Sleep is the final stage of this reset. Without it, your body never enters repair mode, the very mode that protects your heart, brain, and cells from aging. If you would like more information, watch Sleep and Survival for a more in-depth discovery. The daily energy reset routine. To reset your energy after 50, you don't need miracles. You need a routine. Morning, hydrate, move, eat protein. Midday, get sunlight, walk after meals. Evening, disconnect, dim lights, and breathe. Every small choice you make either feeds your cells or drains them. Over time, those choices decide whether you slow down or reignite. Energy after 50 isn't about feeling young again. It's about feeling alive again. If you found this episode helpful, watch our previous series, Risk to Resilience, to learn how to protect yourself from the very risks that steal your energy in the first place. And stay tuned for next week's episode, Brain Recharge Protocol, the science of mental clarity after 50. Because rebuilding is a process, and you've just taken the first step.